stop what you're doing. You need to pay attention to this chart because the same pattern happens every single cycle, just like clockwork, and it always shocks the high majority. What I'm going to explain to you is what is going to happen the next few months in Bitcoin, because it's going to get wild. I need you to be ready for it, because if you look at these exact patterns, they match identically. Take a look at 2015 when we had this green line cross the yellow line. We created this gruesome pocket and it was an absolute bloodbath. Fast forward 4 years, 2019, same thing happened. We had this green line finally cross through the yellow. We created this pocket. It was an absolute bloodbath. Fast forward 4 years, 2022, we had this cross, we created this pocket, and we had our absolute bloodbath. And here we are. We just recently had our cross. We're starting to create our pocket, and I'm going to explain what is about to happen next, how it's going to shock the world, what I believe is going to happen, and then I'm going to tell you what you should do based on all of the facts and evidence that I am about to give you. Let's get into it. By the way, we are getting tons of comments about Winbottom and altcoins. Did you know I give my top altcoin picks and my big secret investment both covered in the Bitcoin bottom blueprint? Just my big secret investment alone is already worth multiple times the cost of the Bitcoin bottom blueprint. But on top of that, you get my top altcoin picks, and on top of that, you get one guaranteed buy inside of the golden zone or your money back. Public launch coming soon. Watch your email. Here we are, Bitcoin US dollar index, and today we are on the weekly chart. On our chart, we have a green line and we have a yellow line. Two moving averages. One of them is the 21 MA, that is the one in green, and we have the 50 MA, which is the one in yellow. And what we are looking at is when the green crosses through the yellow. It's at a very particular point in the market cycle, and the same patterns happen after that. They're also the same patterns before. Take a look. 2015, when we had this cross, it was after the market cycle top, and price fell all the way down into that support zone. 2019 was no different. When we had that cross, it was after the market cycle top, and price had already fallen into that support zone. 2022 was no different. When we had that cross, it was after the market cycle top, and price had already fallen to that support zone. Was it different this time? No. When we had that cross, it was after the market cycle top, and we had already fallen into our support zone. So what happens next is like clockwork, but it shocks the high majority, and today I don't want that to happen to you. So I'm going to give you the facts. We're going to cover the evidence in this chart right here, and then I'm going to tell you what I think is going to happen, and then I'm going to tell you what you should do with the information. Now, what I want you to do is take a mental screenshot of what we got right now, because we also used this chart 2 months ago when we were up above 80,000, and we stayed level-headed thanks to this chart. We've got to give credit where credit is due, because this chart told us, hey, actually in every single market cycle bottom, we go above this green line. In fact, hey, sometimes we actually get all the way up to the yellow line. So that's exactly what we covered in a video a couple months ago, where we said, hey, we're above this green line. There's no worry. We do that every single cycle. The bear market will continue. Our pocket will continue. And here we are 2 months later. And what we've noticed is we're at an absolute breaking point, and this thing could get wild. Let me show you. So what I want you to do is understand how many days in we are, and we'll start to really understand where we are at present day. We're at 170 days after the cross. Remember that. Put that number, put it in your memory bank. It's going to be incredibly important. Now, we're going to take a look at the facts for 2015. in this circle we have, in 2019 in that circle, in 2022. And we're going to start to piece together new information, and we're going to start to piece together these new facts, and we're going to have a very good idea about the patterns that play out. And then we're going to look at about 168 days in, 180 days in of when this is going to happen and what happens next. Recently, many of you have been randomly unsubscribed from my channel, and missing just one video in a market like this can cost you big time. So stop what you're doing, look down, and make sure you are subscribed. So we start our journey in 2015. Now in 2015, you can see the 21 moving average crossing the 50 moving average on the weekly chart at precisely August 2014. What we notice is that after that cross had happened, we had multiple rallies in the market. Multiple up to the green, multiple a little bit over the green, and we had one even get up to the yellow. But it all ended the same exact way. Towards that big opening of our gap, that's when we saw the bottom of the market. But more importantly, how many days was it? Because what we notice in the market is that when this green line comes and crosses back up, it marks one of the best buying opportunities ever in Bitcoin. And I'm going to cover more on that later, but you can just look every single time we had the green line cross here, back up. It represented amazing times to buy. So how long is that wait period from the time that we had our cross and we create a bloodbath to the time that we had a cross back up and we have the best buying opportunity ever? Well, let's do a little measured move. We're going to measure from when we crossed down to when we crossed back up, and we notice it's roughly 400 days. In other words, when we have that cross down, the bloodbath happens, but about 400 days later, the bloodbath is over. And this cross back up marks the end of our worry, the end of our bloodbath, and the beginning of the next bull. So if you want to know when the next real pump is going to happen, look no further than this chart. In fact, I hope you pause this video right now and pull up this chart and plug these settings in, and so you can look at it live as we're discussing it together, because that will help you stay level-headed more than anything. You should throw social media away and focus on facts. The system is what creates success, and the systems that I've built here keep us level-headed. So we notice, okay, there's a 400-day window. In other words, during that 400 days, we plummet in price, we see a bloodbath, but we have our bottom, and then we cross to start the new bull. How about the next cycle? 2019, we had our 50 MA right here, the yellow line, and we had that 21 MA cross right through back in July 2018. And what you noticed, the same kind of things. We rallied. We rallied above the green. We rallied all the way to the yellow, but it wasn't a concern because the bear market continued. And this green line sort of took our head and shoved it down. And the green line just kept pushing our head down until we finally met our market cycle bottom. You have this big gap here, and then we moved above here back in June 2019. We had the green line cross back up, marking the beginning of the bull. But how long was that period? Because we noticed 2015 was about 400 days. How about this period? This period was also roughly 400-ish days from the point when we had that cross down to the point of that cross up, roughly a 400-ish day period of when we go from absolute turmoil to the best moment that we've all been waiting for years, which is the start of the next bull run. In 2022, it was more of the same. You can see this green line right here and crossing through back in March 2022. It likes to cross roughly every 4 years, and when it does, you can see what happened, right? We had a short-term rally. We rallied above the green. We rallied even up to that yellow, but again, that green just kept pushing our head down, and it was not a very fair battle. But once again, roughly 400-ish days of this period between gruesome in the start of the bull. Keep in mind, the start of the bull happened here, roughly $25,000 in our recent cycle. And we went from about $25,000 up to $126,000 before we saw the same pattern happen. We crossed back down through this yellow after the market had already topped. Every single time in every single market, when we have this green line cross through, it's after the market had already topped. Then we have about a 400-day period before our next bull run. So I've got good news. We are almost halfway through the chaos between when the chaos really gets bad and when the next bull run starts. That's the good news I want to lay on you right now. So no matter what's happening in your mind, what you're thinking about the market, what's happening to your portfolio, there is no time like the beginning of the bull. That's the best time of the best time of the best time. And we are almost there. We are halfway almost through all of this chaos before the next bull run starts. That's the good news. Now, let's get to the bad news, all right? And you better be sitting down because you can see these patterns are repeating patterns. They happen every single market, and it's not pretty. So I mentioned that 400-day period. We know that roughly it's a rough 400-day period. Sometimes it's 350, but we're 180-ish days, 100 and something like that. We're a little bit less than 200 days. So as you measure it, we're a little bit less than 200 days, and now things are heating up because we understand when does that period take us to. I want to cover a few things next. I want to cover what I think is going to happen, when I think the next bull is going to start, and what you should do with this information. So let's cover those three things. They're incredibly important. What I think is going to happen, when I think the next bull is going to start, and what should you do with that information. Let's unravel both. We'll start with the first one. What do I think is going to happen next? I think it's more of the same. There's a hotly debated topic that the bottom is already in. You know, I support everybody with their different charts, etc., but I have been in a certain camp for months and months and months and months and months, and I will only change my opinion if the facts and the charts change. And the only fact that can change my opinion is a swing high higher than 97, because functionally in the chart, that would change everybody's thesis. It's the biggest fact that could come in. And anything less than that, any rally that's less than 97 is 1000% irrelevant, and it will roll over and do more of the same, which is what every bear market does ever known to man for Bitcoin. I showed you all the facts. 2015, exact patterns. 2019, exact patterns. 2022, exact patterns. And we're living in it right now. So far, it's been the exact same patterns. There's been absolutely nothing different about what's happened in the past handful of months. It's been exactly what is supposed to happen. So what do I expect to happen the next handful of months for the rest of this year? We're going to see the bottom of the market. It's going to get ugly. It's going to get gruesome. We're going to have a big pocket, but then I'll show you when the next bull is going to start, because that is when things get very interesting. So I let you know what I think is going to happen. It's going to be more of the same. It's going to heat up a little bit. But how about, more importantly, when will the next bull potentially start? If you take this and extrapolate it out, we're looking at, sometimes this thing happens, roughly 330, 350 days, sometimes 400 days. In other words, we're looking at a very specific range of time for the next bull run to start. And it will happen by surprise. It will catch everyone off guard. People will not be ready, but it's scheduled to start towards the end of 2026 or in Q1 in 2027. During that range is when the next bull run is going to start. Now, to the most important thing in today's episode. What should you do with this information? Number one, you should start saving up your money and getting smart about investing. What I need you to do is trade way less. And I want you to really double down on buying in a window, in the golden zone window near the bottom of the market. And then I need you to think about a couple years later selling near the top of that market, the top window. In other words, you only make decisions every couple years, and you don't make a lot of decisions. You make a few, and each one carries much more weight. In other words, instead of swinging at every pitch, which is what you've been doing for years, you're going to take only one swing every couple years and it counts so much. So when that ball comes that you love to hit, it's right in your sweet spot and you know you're going to slam it, that's what you go for. Instead of swinging, hoping, hoping with no strategy. It's not strategic. It's not in that bottom window. It's not in that top window. You're in and out. You're emotional. It's an emotional roller coaster on social media. One day you think this, one day you think that. This person thinks that, so you go with that. All of that is behind you. And now you're more strategic. And now you're more buttoned up, and you will see the results. So what do I want you to do with this information? I want you to get ready for the next bull run. That's it. That's that moment of time. And obviously, I put together my blueprint to the bottom. And if you really want success and you want to skip 10 years of headaches, you get the bottom blueprint and you'll have it for life. And it will unlock a brand new future. I'll leave you on that note. By the way, we are getting tons of comments about WinBottom and altcoins. Did you know I give my top altcoin picks and my big secret investment both covered in the Bitcoin bottom blueprint? Just my big secret investment alone is already worth multiple times the cost of the Bitcoin bottom blueprint. But on top of that, you get my top altcoin picks. And on top of that, you get one guaranteed buy inside of the golden zone or your money back. Public launch coming soon. Watch your email.